Hi guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori and I have a video for you. I'm not even sure what I'm calling this video yet, where I am going to show you what I have rescued, hi Wellington, rescued from the thrift stores for vintage craft items, and I'm listing them on my Etsy shop. I have 14 items that I have saved, and I'm going to put it out into the world. Everything will have free shipping in the US only. Hi. Sorry about that, international friends. It just gets very costly to try to ship things overseas for us. So, US only shipping. Some of the things I'm keeping because they didn't make sense to. Like, this is not vintage. It's $2 from Hobby Lobby. Okay, let us get started. We will start with, oh, that one's not listed. Let's see. Okay, we're going to start with quilt pattern. Hi. With quilt patterns. These are, to the best of my, knowledge, not cut. I'm not a quilter, but they are the full patterns. And these are all from the 80s and 90s. So this is Bear's Paw Design Santa 2, number 8705. So that is listed. I have a few more things I need to list, but I wanted to get this out. This is Woodland Santa 1989 from Linda Barrett. And these are your patterns. Oops. This is Liberty Homestead. I can't remember what the pattern is called. It's on there. And this one comes with your general instructions and your pattern. I love it that these are actual pictures that somebody took and had printed and then glued them on. I love it. This is Bear's Paw Design, the Santa 1. And, okay, hi. And this one, they don't have dates on them. This is 8704, and I think this is like, well, they've made it a throw, but obviously it's a quilt. You can make it as big as you want. This is Crazy Ann and her quilt. So you make a baby doll and then a doll quilt with this one. And this is from 1985. All of the quilt patterns, I believe, are $12, and that's with shipping and packaging and all that. This is Thimbleberries Country Wreaths pattern. And this is Thimbleberries Around Town. And you get all of your directions and everything. This one is a little bent. I don't know how, but, well, probably because it was in a big bin of clothes when I rescued it. And this one is $20. And I don't know where I got this. This was not from the bins. But this is a complete kit. It has your fabric, your floss, but it also comes with the hardware. It's a bell pull cross-stitch kit. So you get all the hardware. You get all the floss. It's complete. All you need is a needle. And there might even be a needle in here. I don't know. I haven't opened it. There's definitely floss and fabric and the pattern. And then the hardware. So there's that. So these, like I said, the quilt block patterns are $12. This one I did put for $20 just because shipping is going to be a little higher on that. And then, okay, let's see. I think there's only like 14 items or something. I thrifted these cross-stitching kits. And these are from 1995 Amish Quilt 2 kit. So they come with a complete set. You get your Ada, you'll get your floss, you get the hardware, and the directions. So we have this one, which is called Cube Lattice. Hi. Blocks and something. I really like this one. I can't see because there was a sticker. This one, it is open, but I think it just popped open. Everything is in here, including your pattern so you can recreate. And then there's this one, premium something. Again, sticker. But still sealed. So I thought, oh, sorry. I thought these were pretty cool. And these are all from 1995. Those are listed separately. And then this stuff here, I'm not exactly sure when it's from. It looks vintagey, but I think they still make it. This is Hopscotch brand, Charles Craft ink. It's tartan plaid. It is a piece, it's the gray, no, ivory pink and blue. And if you look at this picture here, this is what it is. And you cross stitch something in the center and then you can make, and it adds to your design. And I have 3 of those on the listing. And you know, buy 1, buy 2, buy 3. I don't care, but there's 3 on there. I just made them for individual, and each piece is 15 by 15. That's pretty big. Oh, and it is, I believe it's 14 count Aida. Yes, it's 14 count Aida. This kit I threw out there. I don't think it's vintage. It's a embroidery kit. It comes with a piece of like satiny fabric that's printed, and then you get your floss, your needle. I think good for a beginner. It has everything in here, including your hoop to put it together, but I just couldn't leave it because I didn't want it to get thrown away. And your needles. Crafters gotta craft, guys. So that's listed. Again, I didn't really do too much research on that. And then I think the last thing I have is this kit, which are very sought after right now. This is the Busilla. I think this is from the 80s, could be from the 90s. It makes 6 ornaments that look like picture windows. And you have all your fabric, again, your floss. This is a complete unopened, still sealed in its packaging. At some point in the 80s or 90s, it was $11.99. And yeah, I'm excited to see if somebody can create this. I wanted to make it, but let's be truthful. I have so many projects going. And again, I couldn't see this go to waste. So it was headed for the dumpster, and I snagged it, bought it up, and will sell it to somebody who would like to do this. So this kit as well is out there on the Etsy shop, free shipping. I will put my link in the description box, and then I will go in and put it in the first comment. You should just be able to click on the link to get to my Etsy store. I will have randomly putting things up there. I have other craft stuff that I have collected and saved. I just didn't have time so far to get it all listed. But I like this idea of like saving this stuff from landfill. And I know grandmacore is in. Everybody wants to be like grandma and put the phones down and pick up the handcrafts, and I am here for it. I love it. Hi. My boy wants some attention. I'm going to go edit this video. I'm going to get it up on the interwebs, live on the YouTube. And by the time you see it, everything in my Etsy store will be live and well and ready for you to peruse and take a look at. So, sorry, cat. So I hope you enjoy. And if this is something that you guys think is a cool thing, I think it's a cool thing, I will continue to hunt for vintage cross-stitching and knitting and all the kits and supplies so that they don't get thrown away. All right, have a good one. I will talk with you later. Bye.